guilt of leaving parents in India. Uh, you grew up in India. Guilt of you basically, and then you came here. Your parents are in India. You are here. It's kind of a big deal. So to tell you frankly, uh, I have three older. In my case, I have three older brothers, and they take care of mom. And still, the fact that I'm not with my mom, being there are two. I have a big family, so two other brothers are in Australia and here respectively. But and I'm the sixth one, right? So, but dealing with the guilt is being still a big deal. I mean, three brothers are taking care of her, but still I feel that I should have been there. It's kind of a thing, like my mom has done a lot for me, and my dad is not here. He's not there anymore. And even so what happens in America, it's very common thing. Your father is sick and you fly immediately to India. Sometimes you reach on time, sometimes you don't reach on time, sometimes you cannot even fly. Whatever it is, sometimes you can't even fly. Let's say you are, I don't know what situation it would be, but there's a lot of problem. Basically, you cannot ignore this problem. So the only way, still in my case, as I said, I have older siblings. But if a person doesn't have anybody in India, any sibling in India to take care of parents, then what does he do? First, the guilt is extremely heavy, and there is no way you can overcome this. I can just tell you what strategies you could use. You can use the CSF formula to go fast, complete success formulas. Strategy to basically go fast and get your green card and citizenship as soon as possible when your parents are in 50s itself, and then get them here. So the way to do it is, basically most people come here on student visa. They spend 2-3 years on student visa, then they spend 2-3 years on OPT, then they come on H1, then they file their green card, and then they get their green card in 8-10 years. Then another 5 years they get the green card. So they get the citizenship. So by the point is, when they get the citizenship, they can sponsor their parents and get them here, right? Which will take only one year. If they sponsor siblings, that takes a lot of time, maybe 15-20 years. But when they sponsor parents, then it takes very little time. Okay, just want to make sure you know it for record. Chalo. Having said this, diving into details, people make a lot of mistakes as part of when they come to America, and they don't try to solve their visa issue. This is one of the big aspects of visa issue, especially if you are a sole sibling or maybe if you have two siblings, and let's say one is in Australia, one is in America, then if that doesn't help. And let's say you are two, then both of you are in America or Canada or whatever, that also won't help, right? Parents would be alone at the end of the day. So parents basically have a very hard time in India, would be having a very hard time, and then this life will be very tough. I have seen people, they have 10, 15, 20 crore worth of property in India. Parents are pretty much surviving there in those property. They are in Canada, USA, this, that, blah, 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 nothing, and so it's kind of very hard. So the only way to do it is, handle it is, well, there are a few ways. One is, you have to get American citizenship as soon as possible. So if you don't make any mistake, then only you will be able to, within 10-11 years,